you doing there, lady?
Fire danger low? We've never seen that before. Never.
Yeah,
We're from California. It's always high, very high.
What is this? That is supposed to be Carl's Jr. This is Hardee's. Where are we? Whenever we're on our long drives and we start getting a little sleepy, instead of pulling off to get coffee, we just go to Taco Bell. Because we keep our little cup, we just get free refills. The sky is on fire.
I'm from California. I don't know how to do this. I have to pee so badly.
Go, go, go.
I'm already tinkling, and I'm in the middle of 2 spots. Sorry, can't change.
Taking your sweet time.
I need shoes.
I thought you didn't care.
Well, I need shoes.
I thought you said you're tinkling already.
I am. I just tinkled moving. I'm not a responsible lady, so I don't need the car. I don't have keys or phone. Make sure I don't die. The park will probably be super crowded, especially because we're visiting on a Saturday, and it's the most visited national park in the country. So we're getting an early start to hopefully avoid people.
We wanted to come out here for sunrise, but we were stuck in a cloud all morning, and it finally opened up. Did you see? Did you look?
It's a miracle. I'm out of bed.
Wow. So much smoke.
So much smoke. I'm freezing.
Oh, cold there.
So, have a headache. Sleep. All the above.
I also feel like my jacket's consuming me.
Yeah, you're disappearing.
Yeah, just into the depths.
Anakin Skywalker. Oh, goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
I thought you were a woman.
North Carolina.
Really? Oh!
Oh, I am.
You're in 2 states at the same time.
Wow, that was magical.
Cross-state kiss. Kind of a big deal.
We just talked to the ranger and she gave us a recommendation for this hike. She said absolutely do not wear your flip-flops. We are in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, which is the little town outside of Great Smoky Mountains. And I assumed, like all other national parks, it would just be a small little thing with like one national park in. Not the case. It looks like Universal City Walk or Santa Monica Pier in here. There's a million people. Yeah, it's kind of wild. This is Tennessee, not Vegas. Look at this backup. Look at it. This has been going for like ever. This makes me sad for everyone. Ah! Yesterday, I was so tired when we came to the Smoky Mountains, and I kind of just napped in the car the whole time. So we're back today to do a little bit more and see more.
Too fast, too fast. What do you think, Neen?
Not exciting. I'm
That's
ready to
what
get
the
moving.
big traffic holdup was all about, right there.
Thought it might be a bear. Not as exciting as a bear.
Really? Oh, look, we got another
Hey,
one.
don't keep-
Another one.
Hurry!
Oh!
Go, go, go!
Isn't that the most incredible thing
You're
you've ever
contributing
seen?
to the traffic holdup. You're contributing. You're the reason for it.
Hey, we waited for that.